Edwards, Chromani, tuag at y postyn pella tro yma o'r golwr, dim eithu, mae'n gefn o'r hwyd, yndi ma, hynna, di ddim. Mae'n cael ei chlirio gan Daviesyddi ar y llinell. Mae Bala meddwl bod nhw wedi mynd ar y blaen. Dros ben pasg, Marieth dan bwysa, sy'n gyfle i Edwards. Daniels yn Gris Monach, arbediad wych gan Conor Roberts. Ar y postyn nath i. Ar rail gynnig, ddiffyn y Seintiau, mae'r chwal yn y fan yna. Bron iawn i Euron Edwards, sgorio yn ebyn i Ginglwb. Absalom. Ti cefn i bawb, os y gyfle o'i arsam yn codi bel dros ben y golwr. Ac hefyd dros ben y traws, cyfle euraidd yw'r Bala ar y blaen. Un gic uniongyrchol gan y golwr yn achosi pob math o broblema. Ddim di fi Smith, ond mae Kieran Smith yn ffigio i fyny fyna na di Williamson. Gwrth ymosod rwan gyda Holden i'r chwith. Mae Brad Young yn gofyn amdani yn y cwrt Cosby ond i rediad Williams mae'n dod. Williams ar draws y gat. Young i roi Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Gwrth ymosodiad o ganol y cae. Mae Brad Young gyda munud o'r hanner cyntaf weddill. A roed o'i ail gol ar 15 y tymor yma. Symudiad slick. Smith codi tuag at lwybr Brad Young. Cyffyrddiad o ddim rei ddrwg ar bediad tipyn gwell na'r cyffyrddiad gan Absalom. Arsan, chodi fyny tuag at y postyn pella, arbeniad, wedi nghefn yr hwyd, na di, sut ar y ddiar, a ffordd mi mewn, Euron Edwards oedd yna ar y postyn pella, a ni dim y tro cynta yno, mae'r Seintiau di clirio'r bel oddi ar y llinell. Young, cael y bel, Brad Young ar ergyd y Chromani, per postyn pella, o'na'n agos. Young yn agos iawn i sgorio ail o'r noson. Davies. Holden yn troi ac yn ergydio arbediad o didog gan Absalom. Oedd i werth cynnig gan Holden. Absalom yn symud ar draws y gol i throi i rownd y postyn. Absalom fyny tuag at y middle court Cosby'r gol yn dod. Mae di methu, pasg, mae'r bel yn gefn yr oed, mae'r Bala yn gyfartal. Na, dyn nhw ddim yn y gam sefyll. Ar dyfarnwr cynnarthwyol Conor Fowler wedi dynodi bod Arsan, dwi'n meddwl, yn cam sefyll. Mae be rhaid i'r Bala i wneud heno i sgorio.
Cole, you got to be disappointed not to take anything out that game tonight.
Yeah, I thought we were absolutely outstanding. We've played 2 games since last year, you know, whereas they've played the Scottish Cup, the League Cup, and you know, they haven't stopped playing, whereas it's hard for us being a part-time team. But taking nothing away from my players tonight, they were absolutely outstanding and should have won the game.
Craig, you said on Tuesday night to be a difficult match here tonight, and that's what it was.
It was, without a shadow of a doubt. You know, Bala played really well, asked questions of her. You know, they put it on with, were very direct and got the ball up to their front up to Neil quite quickly, and he's a handful on a good day, and he had a good day today, and he caused us problems, and it's what we expected. We didn't expect anything less. Obviously Bala understand that it's our 3rd game in 6 days, so the opportunity to come out early on and like I said, be really direct and put it down our throats and say how we defended. And I thought, you know, 95% of the time we defended well. Connor's had 2 saves to make. He's made them. It's his job, you know, and apart from that, you know, it was a really close game. I thought Bala done really well.
Leo, nath Bala hi yn anodd iawn I chi heno, ac lwcus bych chi'n ennill y gêm diwedd, ti'n meddwl?
Swn i'n dweud lwcus, dwi'n teimlo fatha, dwi'n meddwl, unrhyw tîm sy'n dod I Bala, ti'n meddwl, cael reis fach, maen nhw'n tîm da, tîm reis cry, so mae pawb yn gwybod sut maen nhw'n chwarae, a dwi'n meddwl, maen nhw'n gwneud o'n anodd I ni heddiw, da ni'n gallu chwarae ffordd da ni eisiau chwarae, ond dwi'n ma'n dangos I ni, fatha o'n yr Scottish Cup, bod da ni'n gallu gwneud yr ochr arall, dwi'n meddwl bod TNS yn cael digon o clod am y gwaith da ni wedi bod yn gwneud, 3 gen dwytha, 3 clean sheet, mae hwnna'n dangos dipyn a dwi'n siŵr da ni jyst yn hapus yn curo'r gêm.
Conor, talking to Craig, he said your job is to save shots towards goal, and he certainly did that tonight.
Yeah, I did. to be honest, Juice, it was a couple from my own doing that I got away with. Just said to the lads there, some of them games are harder than games in Europe. You know, you come here and the pitch is so small and the way they play so direct, so every long ball does end up being, you know, you're involved in some way or the other. But we got the job done. Yeah, we got the job done.
We worked on things, we pinpointed places where we could get a bit of joy, and we had great joy in the first half, and then Naeem goes through on something we've worked on and puts it on top of the net instead of in the net. You know, he's got plenty of time to finish it, then he hits the post, Naeem, and then you know, the goal that's disallowed at the end, the linesman said it's offside, so you know, we'll have to see what happens with that, because there was a bad decision made here last Saturday, which I think the ref's been reprimanded for, so it'll be interesting to see if he is offside on that. But if the line is right, you know, congratulations to him, he's got it done really well. But I can't fault the lads, we're absolutely outstanding, and you know, when you take into account these are going to be world record breakers or what, you know, my lads were absolutely outstanding today, and they've broke some great records against TNS today because they've got away with one.
Yeah, and Bala, they thought it equalised.
Yeah.
Your thoughts on that disallowed goal?
Yeah, A, it was offside, and B, it was a foul, so I don't think there's any thoughts about that. From my point of view, it was quite clear. The linesman put his flag up pretty quickly, but there was also a foul in there as well. So yeah, you know, it was, you've seen that quite early on.